Hi, namaste. Everybody who is there listening to me right now. Did you see the sunrise today morning? When was the last time you looked at the rising sun or paused to admire a flower's beauty and fragrance? We wake up every day with thoughts of business, family, and happiness, but rarely realize that all these are interlinked. We are not separate from the universe or nature. We are part of the same universe in a continuous exchange of energy. Morning sunlight is one of the simplest healers we have. It boosts our mood, it regulates sleep, it strengthens our immunity, and helps us feel alive and thriving. For those struggling with sadness or low energy, sunlight is nature's own antidepressant, releasing serotonin, the happy hormone. Early morning rays align our body's rhythm with cosmic time, bringing physical, mental, and emotional renewal. And flowers, they remind us of purity, love, and also the impermanence of life. Wearing a flower in your hair or simply breathing in its scent can uplift your energy instantly. So, for just 1 week, rise before the sun. Look at the rising sun with closed eyes. Let its light enter your whole being. Touch or smell a flower every morning. You'll begin to feel the shift in your mood, in your thoughts, and in your connection with life itself. Reconnect with nature and watch your inner light bloom. Bye for now. Thank you for listening.